The average age of 4 brothers is 6 years. Now, at this point of time, right, stop first. So, whenever they tell you that the average of something is something, right, you have to go and find the total sum first. Okay, so over here, what can you find? You can find the total age of 4 brothers. So, which is why I say pause first. So, find the total age of 4 brothers. And that will be, because 4 brothers average age is 6 years, so it's just 4 times 6. And that will give us 24. Which means that the age of the 4 brothers add up together will become 24. Okay, now can proceed. They said that the eldest brother is 13, and the youngest pair, that means 2 of them is 2 years old. So what is the age of the remaining brother? So for this one, for parents who are watching this, right, if your child do not understand this, then just draw a model for this one. Which means that in total, it's 24. Okay, it's made up of the elder brother, which is 13 years old. So this one will be 13. And then the youngest pair of twin is 2 years old. So this one will be 2. And then this one will be 2. And this is the question. What is the age of the remaining brother? Okay, so for this one, right, just take 24 minus 13 minus 2 minus 2. So 24 minus 13 minus 2 minus 2 equals to 24 minus 17. And that will give us 7. Okay, so this is actually how you get the answer. So remember, the first step is always to find out the total. So pause first, just find the total. Second step, go and draw the model. Then third step, you can start getting the answer over here. Okay, so remember, if your child do not understand, just draw the model and your child will be able to understand this quite easily. Alright, done.